So we'll start now and we open the floor for questions. Who wants to start? Let's go.
Coach, yun nga, maganda yung pinakita pero kinapos. Ano lang, gaano ka lang ka-proud sa pinakitang fight ng team kahit kinapos?
Yun naman yung binanggit pre-game, basta ibuhos regardless naman ng result. Okay kami. Yun na nga, wala nang mas sa high level pa na makakalaro ka ng champion team from Thailand. So sa nilaro namin, proud naman kami sa naging performance.
Gano'n lang kalaking bagay ito ahead nung quarterfinals game nyo against Kazakhstan, Zetisu?
Video ko sana. Wait lang.
Nag-iisip siya ng sagot.
Sila talaga yung yun nga, at least parang nakauna na kami ng isang hard game before dun sa alam namin talagang mas mahihirap pa. Pero i-take namin yung challenge. Total, okay naman kami ngayon. So alam na namin medyo mas naka-gain kami ng experience na makalaro ng ganito. So hopefully, same lang. Perform na, laro lang ulit at trabaho lang ulit against Kazakhstan.
For Savi and Wilma, how's the experience playing against that Thai champion team? They're a powerhouse in the continent, and you gave them a proper go in this.
I think it just goes to show that the Philippines can compete. They were, I think, runner-up in their league, so it's a big deal for us to push them to 5. And it's a big deal for us to come together and be able to do that, especially here in the Philippines with so much support.
Yes, I think Philippines have power in this competition. So to show and to push every time, I think is a good way for more people in the world can see Philippines play like this.
And for Kiana, how big of a deal lang din siguro na kung yung personal recovery mo is continuously taking big steps lalo na here in an Asian tournament?
Yeah, like what I mentioned, it's a good experience for everyone to be competing in this league. Makikita namin yung international teams talaga, and very happy with how we played, na umabot ng 5 sets, and so for us, parang kaya namin sumabay sa akin.
Coach, nabanggit nyo kanina regardless of the outcome, parang happy lang tayo to play against the champion team. Para sa PLDT, ano yung pinaka-goal nyo dito sa 18? Like, do you just want to compete or talagang you want to go until the end?
Siyempre, yun nga, every tournament naman, kahit may ganung aspect na for experience, yung mga players naman laging gusto mag-compete. So, pero yung focus kasi kaysa manggigil kami na yun nga, dapat kailangan manalo, kailangan mabot ng dulo. Talagang yung trabaho at saka yung performance, every game lang yung hinahabol naman. Kasi kung maganda na may gagalaw, sumasabay naman sa results. So ito, tulad ito, konting-konti na lang pero okay naman kami. Kaya kahit na paano may magiging pa rin.
Gaano malaking bagay yung makagain kayo ng validation, I guess, from this tournament kasi after that early exit na nakarang All-Filipino?
Wala na, nakabubo na kami. Iba rin naman yung iba rin naman yung laruan saka with of Wilma rin naman. So alam namin talagang kahit paano mag-level up kasi kailangan talaga mag-level for this tournament.
Any questions? Coach, siguro ano na lang yung thoughts mo facing Kazakh sa quarterfinals?
Same nung bago mag-Thailand. Alam naman namin high level, malakas and all. Pero bilog pa rin naman bola. Tulad ngayon, wala naman na-expect na mauna pa kami ng dalawa. Tama ba?
Hindi.
Umabot kayo
Umabot kami sa dalawa. Pero umabot kami sa dulo.
Yes.
So, tingnan ulit namin kung saan aabot against Kazakhstan. Pero definitely, ilalabas yung tatrabahohin namin. So, tingnan natin sa Thursday.
I have a question. What changed in the past 2 days with you, Kian? How were you able to elevate your performance in just 2 days?
Ano ba? Parang for me, I take every day as a learning process, and also adjust din naman kami sa training, and also we study yung kalaban. I just take every opportunity that the coaches give me. So kung ano ibibigay sa akin, I'll give my all. And yun, I guess
today was a testament to?
I just felt good today, especially ang ganda ng galaw namin, umabot kami. So, laban na, nandun eh.
True. Any more questions?
Yeah, ma'am, just a quick follow-up. Kanina na-mention din ng coach na it's about playing smarter than ours. Sa tingin mo more sa advantage mo ever since ang play mo is more on placement shots and smart kills?
I guess playing smart has its advantages, especially if napuputo na yung strong spikes. So, I guess that's like one advantage ng mga Filipinos. We know how to play smart also, placing kahit hindi malakas na mapatay. So,
Anyone? No. I have one quick question. Did you have trouble with the cross court? Your cross court was picked up by the other court on the other side.
Sorry, I don't understand.
He's saying that basically she kept giving you cross court. Did you have trouble trying to get the ball
Find
away?
other angles?
No, I only like this. I only make like this for 4 years. Only this.
I think we don't have any more questions. Everything's just revealed. Thank you so much.
Thank you.